Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I want to talk you through the Gucci and Adidas collab.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie and I make a lot of videos on luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags. I love those a lot. So if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Gucci and Adidas, or Adidas if you're in the UK, have collabed once again. Is it once again? I feel like they've done this before. Maybe they haven't. I don't know, but they are going to be doing it relatively soon. This collection drops on June 7th. That's my birthday. Now, I would not be offended if you looked at me and did not think,
wow, I bet she loves sports.
because that's not necessarily the case. The only two sports that I actually like are tennis and hockey. And I don't know how to play either one of them. I'm not over here trying to go to the US Open or anything, but I like tennis. You know, you smack the ball and it goes over the thing, and then the other person runs and smacks the ball and it comes back to you and then you smack it. Yeah, I like that. It's like badminton. I like the vibe. And then I like hockey because it just makes my adrenaline go like this. So but other than that, I'm not really a sports person. However, I really like a lot of the pieces in the Adidas X Gucci collection, and it's not often that I just love luxury ready to wear. Like, I really liked the Skims X Fendi collection, loved that. I like some of the Fendace that's come out. Not super my vibe, it's a bit shouty for me, but I really like the Gucci and Adidas stuff. So I have my phone here, and this is my first time doing this. I haven't done this before. I'm gonna try to put my phone recording over here for you guys so we can look at this stuff together. Okay, so it should have popped up. Let's pray and hope. I did a quick test before filming this. So I'm on the Gucci homepage, and well, not on the homepage. I actually had to use the little search magnifying glass in the upper right and type in Adidas, and then I was able to view the collection. So I'm there now, and it's going to be dropping again on June 7th. There is men and women's collection. I'm going to go ahead and just do all. They do have a few bags in the collection, but I am mostly interested in the ready-to-wear, especially, like, first off, we've already found something that I really like, and it's going to be this full yellow outfit right here, and I don't love it in the yellow because I don't think yellow is my color. However, they have this tank top, this bra top. There's a cardigan that's really nice. But this bra top right here, this is currently my #1 item that I really am going to get from this collection. Like, this is like already hands down if I'm able to. If nothing happens and it doesn't sell out in like a second when it launches, I'm also going to be in New York at the time of it launching on June 7th. I'll be in New York, so I'm going to call the Gucci store in New York like a couple days before to even see if they're getting the collection. And if they're getting the collection, I need to see if they're getting all of it or just some of it or whatever. I'm going to ask them if they have this tank top because it comes in blue, and I love the blue one. The blue one is the one that I'm 1,000,000% going to get. I don't know how big or small it runs because I have a bigger chest up here, you know? So if I get a small, I'm worried that it's gonna like cover one boob. So I would like to be able to go in and try it on if I can, but I mean, it's New York. I would assume they're of course going to get the collection. It's New York, right? And I'm gonna try to be there in New York at the store and get it, but if for some reason I can't, or if I'm just worried, then I'll order it online. But I really love this top. As you saw, it came in yellow and it came in blue. The blue looks so nice, and then it has like the Gucci monogram and the little Adidas leaf, little leaf, I don't know, but it has both of the monogram on the bra top. And it is just so cool, and I love it because it's getting into summertime, so I could wear it with like my shorts that I have on today. It is just the cutest thing, and that is like my #1 pick currently from the collection. It also has a matching skirt as well. The skirt is a very long skirt, yeah, and this stuff on here, it's always very expensive. so I'm only limiting myself to one piece. But yeah, the skirt is really pretty as well. It's like not a maxi skirt, but nearly a maxi skirt. So if you wanted to match your top with your bottom, you could do that. Again, it has the Gucci and Adidas monogram on that. Okay, this is actually for the men's section, and I would wear this. I would get it from the men's collection because I love it so much. This like windbreaker jacket situation, it's in this beautiful blue color, and again has the monogram Gucci and Adidas, but this is so nice. I really like this. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm not a sporty wow, that's expensive. That's $2,700 for the jacquard jacket. Wow, it's really nice. It's so pretty. Oh my god, look at that. So pretty, so pretty. If you're into stuff like this, I would 1,000,000% recommend looking at this collection. But I love that. Does it come in other colors? Oh my god, it does. It comes in the staple Gucci green color as well. Love that. So I love that, but I love it in the blue. The blue one's my favorite. And then scrolling down, another thing, we have seen like 3 pictures and I've stopped on all of them. I love this top right here. This is one of my favorite tops. If I had all the money in the world, I would get this top, I would get that bomber, that blazer, not blazer, that windbreaker jacket we just saw, and then I would get that bralette, then one other piece, but I can't do that. I'm only gonna get one, and I'm probably gonna get the bra top. But this cotton polo, you guys, this is so cute. Look at it all tucked in, and I love the quilting, like the knitted pattern. I love it so much. I love it. And then it has the little Adidas logo, and then Gucci. It's got a Gucci collar and little buttons. Oh, it's just the cutest thing. Does it come in other colors? Oh, it comes in red. Oh my goodness. That red one's really cool too. I like the red one. I like the white because I feel like I'd be able to wear it with more things. It'd be much easier to style, but man, this red one is also so beautiful as well. If you like red, this is great. Continuing on here, this is all really cool. Nothing in this area interested me way too much. The pants are cool. This has a very kind of like 70s vibe to it, which I do think was the point. I forget who the creative director of Gucci is, but I do believe that they said it on purpose that it has a very 60s, 70s vibe. Another thing, this t-shirt, I really love this t-shirt. And I know that a lot of people say that like the branded t-shirts are out, but like if they were out, would companies still be making them like this? Like, this is really cool. It's like in this dusty blue, kind of grayish blue color, and you could tuck it in, and it's just so cute. I love the v-neck. The v-neck, I love a good v-neck. It's one of my favorite neck cuts, and I really like this t-shirt. What other colors does it come in? Oh, green and yellow. Let's look at the yellow one. You know what? I've been trying to get more into yellow. Ooh, okay. These pants, this is another thing that I am so excited for. I love these pants. I love these pants. I think there's like a dedicated thing for the pants, so I'll show you when we get to that. And then let's look at the green. Oh wait, oh yeah, we haven't seen the green. So pretty, love that. Okay. There's the windbreaker in the green. They do have some bags, but I don't love any of the bags. I think there was one this one right here. This is the only one that I actually care about at all. I wouldn't buy it, but it's the only one that I've even gone, oh, that looks nice towards the bags. All the other ones are just like, I wouldn't buy that. Okay, scrolling down, we have this really cool, I don't know the name of this. I really don't. It's like, I call the other thing a windbreak. Ooh, this is a bomber jacket. This is exactly what that is. I really like a good bomber jacket. This is cool colors. I like the yellow and the purple mixed together. Again, it has Gucci and Adidas on the front there. That looks really cool. I feel like that is something that you would see walking around New York if it was raining. I'm doing a great job at explaining this stuff, but I really like that. I wouldn't wear it. It's a little too bright and color. Well, I love color, but I mean, it's a little too loud for me, but I do like the idea of it. I think it looks really nice on the model. And I do think this is in the men's collection as well, but let's be honest. Oh no, it's in both. I was gonna say, like, I thought it was in the men's collection, but let's be honest. Anyone can wear whatever they want. So there's that. Ooh, and the bomber jacket looks like it comes in a few different colors as well. That's cool. Oh, there's my blue one. I want to see this. I should have looked at this before when I was talking about the bra top, but this Gucci zip jacket as well is really, really nice. I love it because it has puffy sleeves. Like, that's why I love it. Look how cute. Look at the puffy sleeves. Oh my God, that looks really comfy as well. And blue and red go really well together. I mean, they're two primary colors. So, and I really like the Gucci and Adidas logo on the back there. This is just, I love how it's knit. I love anything knit. I just love knit. I'm weird, but I really do love knitwear. But I love this. One of my faves. Looks like it only comes in red. I didn't see any other color options down there. Let's see. All right. Oh, this top as well. I thought it was really cute. This collection freaking slaps. I love this collection. This is just a t-shirt. Like, it looks to be a bit cropped, but it's really cute. And I do think that these are things that, you know, it definitely has a logo. If you're not someone that likes a logo, I wouldn't get any of this. But if you are a logo hoe, in the words of Cassie Thorpe, then I do think that you will find this collection up to your standards. But this is very cute. I really like this Gucci kind of cropped situation. It says t-shirt, but on the model it looked a little cropped, but maybe it's not. But it's really cute. I really like the cream color and then the yellow Gucci and Adidas logo. Well, it's a yellow Adidas logo and then Gucci's in brown underneath. I like the contrast between like the cream, the yellow, and the brown. I think that's really, really pretty. So I'm very, very into that. And I assume these like sunglasses and stuff are part of it too. I don't love those big sunglasses shaped like that because my dad was, you know, a young adult in the 60s and 70s. And he wore glasses exactly like that. So I'm not saying my dad didn't have style because he totally did. But it just reminds me so much of my dad. Okay, so we've got this suit looking thing. This doesn't look like a suit. I mean, it kind of does from the picture, but this I think is just like a button down. I love the colors in this. Anything that is like a berry red and a purple, I really like together. Because it reminds me of Trix. You know, like Trix are for kids, but like the cereal, but they had this like berry spinoff or whatever, and it was like berry blast or like berry something, I don't remember, but they were like little circles, like little circles, and they had these two exact colors in, does anyone know what I'm talking about? Probably not. But every time I see these two colors together, I think of that. But it's really nice. It's just like a cute little button down. It's got matching shorts. Oh, we love that. That's just so cute. Look at that. Alrighty, this is very loud. This is probably like the loudest piece in this collection. This is so, I don't even think anybody, unless you just knew, I do not think that anybody would recognize this as a Gucci and Adidas collab. I think they would just recognize this as a very, very loud top. That's crazy right there. All right, we got a couple sweaters here. That's very cute. That looks very comfy. I do love a good crew neck. Crew necks are one of my favorite things to wear of all time. So we love that. And then we've got a full-on golfing case. I don't know, who likes to golf here? I've actually never been golfing except for like putt-putt golf. Like mini golf. There's the green Gucci top, super cute. This skirt is adorable. I just don't like skirts. I never wear skirts. So if you are a skirts person, like a long skirts person, I do think that this is really cute. Just not personally for me, but if you are into that, then absolutely. Oh, okay. What this right here is one of my favorite things in this entire collection, the shorts. I've already joined the wait list for the shorts, and I joined the wait list for the bra top. But these shorts are so freaking cute. Look at this. If you see, it's very subtle, and I like that. I like the fact that it's subtle. in this, but it has the tiniest little Gucci and Adidas monogram in the fabric. That's so cute. And then it of course has these 2 gold buttons that are adorable, and it has that Gucci thing on the top, like the stripe thing on the top. Absolutely look at that. That is so cute. I love these shorts. These cute little dresses are very nice. They're just very simple, kind of slinky dresses. They're really cute. They come in like blue and red. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Yes. Oh my God, that's so expensive. $3,200, and it is the cutest little jumpsuit. I keep saying bodysuit, but it's a jumpsuit. Look at this. Oh my God, this is the cutest thing. Oh, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love it. Oh my God, it even has little monogram. I love this. I love this so much. And it's got the Gucci detailing on, like, it's kind of like, it kind of even gives you a little belt. So it's got that there, and it's got the Gucci collar. Couldn't figure that word out to save my life. But I love this so much. It's the cutest thing, and I am absolutely obsessed with it. I think that's it, you guys. See, here's a couple of bags. I'm just not into that. I think that just looks way like too much. Even this over here, the Adidas and Gucci like duffel bags, that could be cool if you're really into Adidas and Gucci, and if you love the brand and you love the collab, you could get that big duffel bag for travel or something if you're into that. Not personally for me. That's pretty much my thoughts on the collab. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if there's anything from this collection that you have your eye on. Let me know if you've added your name to the wait list on any of these. Let me know what your thoughts are. Just leave me a comment down below letting me know anything, just because I want to know that. But you guys, again, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!